car was cleaned, it looked clean to you on the face of it.
Yeah.
You had no reason to believe that anything had gone wrong, am I right?
Yeah.
Splendid. So you get into your lovely car that you love very much,
Yeah.
and you drive away. How far away do you go, Jack?
We go about 2 miles.
Home.
Yeah.
Get out of the car, looking forward to your holiday tomorrow. What happened?
I look at the bonnet and I realised the damage.
Did you take a photograph of the damage before you took it back?
Yeah.
Very good. You mean at the time before you drove back? Terribly sensible, Jack. Good Lord. That's a quite extensive damage to paintwork. What it looks like is that the glaze, the top layer of the paint, has just come off.
Yeah.
As a result, clearly, of vigorous spraying or something that's taken place at the car wash. I see. Oh. You see how 2 pictures can tell 2 different stories?
Yeah.
Now, I'm not suggesting for a second that it wasn't very upsetting to you, but that's a much smaller piece of damage.
Yeah.
It's the type of thing which can be resolved,
Yeah.
right? I see. I thought it was way, way worse.
It does look it.
Well, of course, if you take anything close up, it's
Yeah.
like most people, if you get very close up. Nico, this young gentleman came to speak to you, and he said to you, I was here 5 minutes ago, and however long it was, you've damaged my car. What did you say, Nico?
I said to him, forget about the signs. I said to him, I'm going to take the responsibility. I will fix your car.
Very
Just
good.
because I didn't want no arguments and to go through headache and things like that.
Or end up on Judge Rinder.
And I said to myself, I will just fix it. It's not a problem. Don't worry. Don't get stressed. You get a quote. I'll get a quote for my paint work, the painting shop, yeah, and that's it.
Very reasonable. Did you get a couple of quotes?
Yeah, I got a couple of
Very
quotes.
good. Let me see them.
I've just got the one quote with me now. That's a recent quote.
Thank you, Michelle. Right, I have one quote here, certainly, which I've seen, which is for the amount you're claiming for, £333. And that was obtained very recently. That was obtained yesterday.
Yeah, that's a new one. I'd lost the old quotes.
Well, all right. Well, how much? This is £333 to make good on that tiny little scratch. It's very expensive. How much is the original quote for?
There was 2 quotes of 250 and 280.
Did you go back to Nico with the quotes?
Yeah, I went back with both quotes.
Get
yeah.
those 2 quotes, £250. Why not pay it, Nico, when you've agreed to pay it?
Yeah, I said, you get a quote, I get a quote for my painter shop, and let's see where is more cheaper. Yeah, because I'm going to fix your car.
Can I see?
Oh, no, I didn't have it here. It's just all friends of mine.
OK. You know people in the car business, I'm not
Yeah.
surprised. How much would he charge?
120 to 150 pounds.
I hear what you say, Nico, and I believe you. I think that's probably about what you were told it would cost from this gentleman. Jack, were you prepared to accept his offer?
No, I was told it was just going to be his guys doing it. For all I know, it could have been him with a tin of spray paint. I didn't want someone I didn't know to repair my car.
Did he give you details of the gentleman for you to go and speak to him independently?
No.
For you to go and see where he lived and where he worked so
No.
that you were satisfied it was a professional operation?
No.
Hand down. Because you can hear this.
Yeah.
Did you know where this gentleman lived and where he worked from?
No.
Now, you want this money to repair your lovely car, which you love. Did you get the money?
No.
In fact, as I understand it, you've been chasing Nico.
Yeah.
Why has he had to chase you, Nico?
Chasing me about what?
Well,
for example.
He's not chasing you for Valentine's cards.
Yeah, but I made him an offer. I made him an offer, and he refused. He refused me there and then. He said, "No way. I don't trust your painter." He just cut me off. He didn't give me any chances.
I understand where you're coming from. I don't think you've acted in a way which is necessarily unfair, but in law, that's not the same thing. Do you understand? Is the car repaired?
No.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.